calibrate the tool. Step 1. Check to make sure the ZR accelerometer installed in the Geo-ShotII chassis section is rotated as shown in the video. Step 2. Install the assembled Geo-ShotII chassis section into the instrument barrel. Then place the instrument barrel and chuck on the temperature calibration stand. The tool should be arranged so that the end with the LEMO plug will be enclosed in the chuck. Step 3. Connect the wires from the calibration stand to the LEMO plug already installed in the tool. Step 4. Once the tool is placed in the chuck, you should make sure the tool is as horizontal and as close to zero angle as possible. You can use a level to check this. Check to make sure the chuck is as tight as possible and that no wires were crushed or broken when the chuck was being tightened. Step 5. Roll the oven over the tool in the chuck. Step 6. Adjust the right side of the power supply to read 6 volts. Step 7. On the desk by the computer there will be a black box with a toggle switch between 2 labels, temperature and hang. Turn the switch to read temp, and the serial cable from the computer is connected above the switch. Step 8. Open MATLAB and then open the latest code and project associated with the temperature calibration of the Geo-ShotII tool. Step 9. Select the type of calibration to be performed. In this case, we are going to select temperature calibration radio button. Step 10. Next, select the communication ports for the motor in the calibration stand and the tool so that the computer will be able to talk to both. By default, COM1 is selected for both. To select the communication ports, select a port for the motor and tool at random and press the Test Communications button. If the correct COM ports are chosen, you will get a response from the motor and the tool. Step 11. Once the correct communication ports are chosen, fill out the rest of the interface with the appropriate information. Leave the start and finish temperature values the same and enter the serial number assigned to the tool. Step 12. Check to make sure everything is connected correctly. Press the Start Calibration button to run the program. Step 13. The temperature calibration process will take approximately 4 hours. The program will run unattended and will alert the operator when the process is complete. You should check at regular intervals to ensure there are no errors or the program did not stop unexpectedly. Step 14. After the temperature calibration is complete, allow the tool to return to room temperature so that it can be handled. After the tool has cooled back to room temperature, remove the chassis section for potting.